Ope say you live by your own instructions. And it's not helping you. Your own instructions. Anu ye and I can't say penny can summer and the word is advancing. Everyone have knowledge. So I'm living by my own knowledge. Massa. What to a chile? What is your mistake? We walk by common sense. Nobody go to school to learn how to walk, but we run by principles. Remember what Chima Wakwaba ever in Nkrunhye Mmere so. Joba trend Facebook, Joba trend YouTube, Joba trend TikTok, social media handles ninyana. Joba trend ubenya ye. Na ye didi ye hon komo ahihye ye hon kran. Na wo pe baby adama ho atode a Oboba village and apartment. Ko ne koda ko rest kakra. Ye homa no negu no pusu na ye beje so na ye ma a very good warm welcome. Said me city can no. Me say we walk by common sense. Nobody go to school to learn how to work, but we run by principle. That is why a very good athlete be a coach. Se coach ni betre ni say. Sa wo kodru ho na lines na ya sensan no. Wo pese o tumirika ye kase on your massa. I'm some of sisi form. Get set. No more peja or mutisa, shoulder high. Now why you ready? Now what focus so baby? I hope se we could do no. Now focus who could do. So you can say ready go na America otuno. And to hear say boots na mo to America sika ne mana. They have coaches. They are coaching them when to sleep, when to eat, even when to sleep with their wives. Inti atiano I take them very far. Because coach, I'm almost some principles there. I was so so they have to go by it. Enti na me catch I say, alubra kiti mpono Bugatti intimini into America. Because Bugatti no what about 2 hours. Alubra kiti no at 45 minutes in a bedroom. Now kofa boyadia the bed 20 minutes na drew Accra. Because oko aviation school wana omo chiro made no omo from tutors so omo from lecturers omo from instructors because ono obaye no wa mechire wo be instructor wo be catch wo say mia wey se wuti plane ma na opese plane e de wutu pa mia wey wudu baby a ebo asia mia wey enye ho e na obeyi ya no say de bi o enkama mia wey o nipa be 500 egu echi wo be ya no do makogu pum. Into pilots now, almost fly higher and higher and higher and higher like eagle. No? They live by instructions. So who's the Canadian? Now you also person yes or no. The person is living by instructions and still living by instructions. Upio ko baby na upia obekwa kwhia despite na. We live by instructions. Menkwa Kwaha, faha, sineha, utie. When ye juma, when ye sika, what's the way they kwato chacha? Now when him say chacha na kwato mi sika no ni nyina abesa. It is so big catcher will say, and kwa. Once they will live by instruction now, will person who baby you could drew no. And one was sign. Near west scaffold be brave will chrome her. Na ye war, I will poku trading. FDNT na omu wusika bet ene womu ni hono Peters no mu wusika bet ene omu wuye no ene Peters school na you one of the best amani e WGHS no Peters was one of the best bet papa ni free mo no ene ya ton school no e san krofo na ye ade ni jawo mo they were not living by instructions. FDNT ma you poku trading ma some of them are living by past glory. Edina omo papa no jaye no e no mjiji ho obi okra sa wuhia no ne yesi FDNT bani a wo be kase ye boa because when tie instructions dia officer ne papa woska eno ano no but 40 years ago 30 years ago enkrophobia na yenim wo mo yenti wo mo didra ebi ne bishop ebi ni asomedru yem papa o se kwa me despite And now do new mission na ho hyeso. Otie instruction. Okusua firi obi ho. Hwe rich condos. So me do die now. We CSC plus 2. So una now yes. But here na wo be fa. Wo be kenya obi kura ka cho say me pa cho asumedu no ni o. Bishop no ni o. Omu live omu life by principle. But omu ni papa bia, omu ni mami bia ogidin o. Omu ankasa ene start e. Ene omu na a fly no. Omu na a live like eagle. Omu na ye pirates. Omu na a tree airplane no. Omu na nem yim. Na opese wo yet se wo mo a. You have to live your life by principles. Live your life with principles. Because it's easy. Because minim say new mission about 12-13 years ago. But she danya we CSC. She rich condos. When you are person be say, "Eh, you family call rich condos." One yes hard. It was principle. Principle na do o ma be drew baby a o mo dream. Ye wo bi wo wi ase. Chese. Onim de wo ye kora. Ene obetunchi ya no oso nchene ade ebeti no oso moko ene nchene ne de ma nton wo ene moko ne de dabi sanu na wo pese wo ya nya sa yokoduru hu ya kosise bidru baby a wo pese wo koduru because wo mo hihya ase no se ko mo bambu ya nke na hu baby a wo hu ye o wo mo hihya ase no ene wo se mesi dan na mesi adruwe nti ma menyan na mensan kosi fofora ene nka new mission ka enye se ka rich condos enka emma wani nye ka bedu agrochemicals show mo level mo dru they were instructed by somebody was instructing them obi na do mo tena ase ene o instructed wo mo se wo pese wo dru ha e wo ye we enye we for we and far way. Nemum and your baby and put now was sofa. Bema one amena o casano. And your baby and put a sofa. And your bar on word Diania was see there be. Young could do one thing. If you are not come to me the 50 cities and where you are no feel, Mukabontia will be 200. So what can our bar no aunt say? Sao bar no untimimbo and omutsie ye. Into one far and ma or mobe boa. One shenufu, one shatuo, one chef flat Tommy. Na o she say that's he na obey the baby kwakudru. It's in being you have ma o shame. One ameno casano a yewo. And fenufu on wale. And fatuo wale. And for flat Tommy. And fenimu. A woman said the any power never boss to say no. Na a penetrating na rawajinim. But sometimes no. You have to control your body. What no? Control it. Not live your life with instructions. And kwa na wa sign boko. Aha na wo kone de sika na show botom no. Wo beba na asan na wa sign. Because wo pese ukodru baby. Wonnim baby a wo pese ukodru. Hwa aboa okode Wanu amu na instructing hu okode e na instructing ho wanu na hu se ompese wotu na afa wontimi ntu nche mo ani nyina egel obekwa akwese baabi aboa na de nano wode betutu ne hu nyina ama mo jaba na wahyewa onto nsede ne hu befu na ne hu fu na oba fly higher and higher than every other bird. Na plane crasa eagle no mo hwe so ye. Eagle ahoden and e dey plane. Eti wo pese we a very good pilot. Na wo fly. Na sky no a your limit. Dear, live your life by instructions. Because what the plane na o master catch o say, "Mia ha, o se there be se die me so me wono legini bio enti ma memia ha enkrofo ma enkrofo papa no enkrofo business star kom be 500 no obekwa ko gya o magupum enti wo ye pilot a wonyi nsem ano de ye beka no eno na wasa wo ye if you wants to be a pilot unyin samano. You don't do negotiation. I was sure because who negotiates here, you end up in the sea. Ubeton swim. And as a good pilot, dear ye beka chere no. And only mia no mia. She habra no a chamber. Pia hako a boy seer. When the musa no a besi form. Into pilots no. The bia omoko. Medical catcher say, Plana a yakitikitimpo. In your Bugatti yonko no. Na se okofa boy ni badia. On all the 20 minutes now we drew a cry. Now a samba. Na Bugatti still one nama. Or top speed, but no dream because pilot no with see instructions. Omo fly, e wo wiemu. Despite your pilot or fly. Bishop your pilot or fly. Assume do. Some governor would tell me the instructions until and no much plane no muchi. No, who says so? Who more dino money ma. Now person yebi. But you don't want to live by instructions. Say you live by your own instructions and it's not helping you. Your own instructions. Anu ye and I can't say penny can summer and the word is advancing. Everyone have knowledge. So I'm living by my own knowledge. Massa. What today? What is your mistake? Now was on West California baby basa. Omo coaches omo instruct omo coaches omo instruct omo se kwa na dey ante na say we call presidency ho a ye wo advisors chief advisors to the president ono na give instruction ansa na Ghana president kro obekasa ye man instructions one sam na obeka no enti dey who expect say obeka no won come in favor because your instructions say ukogina ho a can we sa no obeka no anto otirim kura akodadwe no ho a eto otirim nti wo chena wo besa akovotu o ma no they live by instructions enti na wo metina see me say if you want to fly like an eagle live by instructions have a coach to coach you live by instructions if you live by instructions you one day become a very good pilot and you fly in the higher places. God bless you. I love you all. On my taxes and accounting. Pusu humana ne from US abrochi mam. Obey your taxes no hun sem nyina amount. Na me for opportunity we so. Na ma reshe me papa. Reverend Emmanuel upon forcing. A very very happy birthday. Daddy. Joba kiru ni nyina yesi ye so happy birthday. Esan said na oba ha no obetoto bomb bi na bomb na ototo ye no em se atoni pasum. Yesre nkwatensen a ahodi wom atima. Onyame nhira oma nkwa ene ahodi. Na fatena se na ya ye be ya fe ya ye be wari fa be cheche. Reverend Emmanuel upon forcing. General Overseer of Greater Grace Chapel, North Central. Happy, blessed birthday. God bless you so much. We love you.